Welcome to my channel and my two little mini makeovers for under £40. To start with, I'm going to show you how I created this look on my table in our dining room. So the first thing I've done after laying the plates down and the mats and my rose gold cutlery, which is just our standard kind of set we have out all the time, is I took a stem of artificial fern and just pulled off a couple of little pieces and just lay them on these simple white plates. I just think that's a nice little effective way on displaying them plates whilst they're not in use. Now these little baskets I bought from Primark, they were £2.99 each, so I bought 3 of these, and then I just took some hydrangea stems and then I just bent them in like a bit of a circle just so they would fit in the basket. So I've done this with 3 of my hydrangeas. Now this doesn't damage them, you can easily open this back out. The wire's meant to be bent, it's just they're much more versatile when you can kind of shape them into what you want, as opposed to cutting them, because I'll probably straighten these back out and put them in a different display later. So I've just bunched them all together in these rose gold baskets, and I've done 3 of these going along the centre of the table, which I'm really pleased with because they're not too big and bulky, although it is quite a statement. It doesn't take up too much space. And then I popped some Granny Smith green apples along the centre here. I also bought those from Amazon, as well as the flowers, and I just think that looks really effective. So the final thing I done in this room, in with my £40 budget, was this little moss wreath, which was £2.50. I just took some twine and just looped it over and looped it round, and then brought the 2 pieces through just so it hangs nice and neatly. And then I hung this on my shutter, just so when you look into the room across the table, just adds a little bit green to the kind of shutter area, the wooden shutter area in the background too. Just a sweet little touch like this can make such a difference to a room. So that is my dining room now, looking so different for such a small amount of money. These baskets could be used for so many other different things, well worth the investment for £2.99 each. So the next item I'm going to show you is this basket, which I bought for my bathroom mini makeover. Now the basket itself was, I'm looking at the list, £3.99, and the face cloth to match was in a pack of 3 for £2.49. So I just popped a few of my just kind of regular things in here that I like leaving for when guests come, and just popped that on my window ledge next to my coral, which I end up moving later because I feel like the colours are just a bit bland. But then also I couldn't quite decide if this should go on the bath, and then that adds a little bit kind of teal or turquoise into the corner. Now these candlestick holders are only £2.49 in B&M. Now I think they're reduced to that, but they have been for a while. And these little green Tory balls were only £2.49 as well. They look a bit dark, the green on this video, but they're a little bit more vibrant. Now the second of the face cloths out of the little pack, I've just laid on the side of the bath with a bar of soap on. And then my bargain little £4.99 lantern from the range, I'm just popping in the corner. This is so much safer than candles for when my daughter gets a bath. Next I popped this bath towel, which was £6.99 over the side of the bath, and these 2 mats, which were £5.99 each. And then the final face cloth I just popped over the sink. I'm so pleased I chose turquoise for this room. I think it just really brings it to life. So I hope I've inspired you to do your own mini makeover for £40. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you again next Friday.